Sarah's grown so much since we moved here in the summer. I can't believe my girl's turning 12 soon.
They grow up so fast, don't they?
They do. But with my single income, it's hard to find money for clothes and pay for food and rent.
I know what you mean. I try budgeting with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of income I spend on needs, 30% on wants, and the last 20 I try to save. Try making a budget that works for you.
That's a good idea. I find I save a lot of money by shopping around and comparing prices. Thrift stores like this one and larger chain stores are usually more affordable.
Agreed. And with these prices, I might just get something for myself too.
Well, I think I have everything I need. Oh no, I only have $20. Can I borrow $5 from you?
Of course. You don't have a credit card yet?
No, not yet. We've been in Alberta for a few months now, but I still don't have a credit history here. I'm afraid my application won't get approved.
Banks have credit options for newcomers. You should start building your credit score now.
I've heard about credit scores. The higher score, the easier it is to borrow money and with the lower interest rates.
Exactly. You never know when you might need credit. It's good to start early. Banks have other services for newcomers too. Go talk to them. I'm sure they can help you find what's right for you.
Good idea. I drove by the bank later today.
In Alberta, there are three main types of financial institutions that offer day-to-day banking services. These include traditional banks, credit unions, and online banks. Before selecting a bank and account, consider your own banking habits, like where and how often you spend money. Shop around to learn about different accounts and make sure you fully understand what is included with the account. This may include number of free transactions per month, a minimum account balance required, and any extra fees involved.
Hi, I'm Felicia. I'm a financial advisor here at the bank. How can I help you?
I'm new to Canada, and I was told that some banks have free services for newcomers.
That's right, we do. Why don't we start off by talking about your daily banking needs? We want to make sure that you have access to your money whenever you need it.
By daily banking, you mean checkings and savings accounts, right?
Exactly. Checking account is for day-to-day transactions. So you get more transactions in this account and you get to write checks. But money in this account does not make any interest. Savings account, you have fewer transactions, but money in this account makes more interest.
I already have a checking account, but I'd like to open a savings account too.
Okay, sounds good. But before we proceed, let's talk a little bit about credit.
I don't have a credit history in Canada. I'm afraid I won't get approved for a credit card.
That's not a problem at all. Banking has an option for newcomers to apply for a credit card with smaller credit limit. As you make payments on time and pay off your credit card, your credit score goes up, helping you qualify for more credit in the future.
That would be great. I want to start building up my credit score as soon as I can.
Okay, so let's open up a savings account and apply you for a credit card too. I will be needing 2 pieces of ID, a local address, and your social insurance number.
I have those here.
Let's get started.
If you require financial assistance, you and your family may be eligible for financial supports and resources. These include Alberta Income Support for families with urgent needs such as food, clothing, and shelter. Canada Child Benefit and Alberta Child Benefit for lower income families with children under 18. Alberta Child Care Subsidies to help cover childcare costs for lower income families. Alberta Seniors Benefit to help cover monthly living expenses for lower income seniors. Plan and manage your finances today for a worry-free tomorrow.